In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a check for owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. If you're taking money out of your business for personal use and you're not running it through payroll, this is the clean way to record it so your books stay accurate. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and look to the top left of your screen. Click the New button to begin a new transaction. From the options that appear, select Check. This opens the check form where you'll record the withdrawal. In the Payee field, enter the owner as the payee. This should be the person taking the draw. Using the owner's name here makes it clear who received the funds, and it keeps your records tidy for reconciliation and year-end reporting. You're not paying a business bill or a vendor, this is a personal draw, so listing the owner as payee is key for clarity. Next, go to the Category Details section and choose Owner's Draw as the category. This should be an equity account, not an expense. Categorizing it to owner's draw ensures the money reduces the owner's equity and does not show up on your profit and loss as a business cost. If you're unsure which equity account your company uses for draws, check your chart of accounts or confirm with your accountant to avoid misclassification. Enter the amount the owner wants to withdraw in the amount field. Double-check that the figure matches what will come out of the bank. You can add a brief memo, such as the month or purpose of the draw, to make future reviews and audits easier. Now add the check number if you're writing a physical check. Enter the exact number printed on your check so QuickBooks can match it to your bank activity later. If you're planning to print this check from QuickBooks, select Print Later instead. That flags the check for batch printing and helps prevent duplicates. When everything looks correct, the payee, category as Owner's Draw, Amount, and check number or print later setting, save the check. Choose Save and Close or Save and New, depending on whether you're entering more transactions. As soon as you save, QuickBooks records the draw. It will reduce your bank balance, lower the owner's equity, and appear properly on your financial statements, primarily on the balance sheet rather than the profit and loss, because owner's draws are not business expenses. That's all you need to do. With these steps, your owner's draw is documented clearly, categorized correctly, and ready for reconciliation.